Marvel Avengers gadgets on Amazon are super popular. If you watched every Marvel movie, read every comic, and know the whole timeline of the Marvel Cinematic Universe like the back of your hand, then the ultimate eye candy for you is this roundup of the best Marvel gift ideas. The top Marvel merchants have gone into overdrive following the record box office success of new releases such as Thor 3 and Black Panther. The truth is that the market is filled with a lot of superhero-inspired gadgets, but some are substantially better in quality than others. So don't forget to watch today's video to the very end for 20 coolest Avengers gadgets on Amazon that are worth buying. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Having said that, let's jump right in. Number 20. Avengers Endgame Iron Man Power Gauntlet Articulated Electronic Fist. Avengers Endgame Iron Man Power Gauntlet Articulated Electronic Fist. Inside them, the 6 Infinity Stones hold the power to manipulate and contort the universe's fabric. The powers of the Infinity Stones are combined in this gauntlet to create a weapon of unfathomable capabilities. With the Marvel Legends series Electronic Power Gauntlet, imagine having amazing, reality-altering skills. Number 19. Infinity Gauntlet Articulated Electronic Fist. A Mad Titan. 6 Stones of Infinity, which power the multiverse. A plan to destroy the galaxy, a mission to save it. A squad of heroes who are ready to fight. Boost the strength of the Infinity Stones with this premium Infinity Gauntlet Articulated Electronic Fist from the Marvel Legends series, and imagine taking over the cosmos with the notorious gauntlet worn by the supreme being Thanos. Wielding the Infinity Gauntlet, wielding the destiny of the universe, bring one of the most powerful weapons in the Marvel Universe to life. Number 18. Marvel Legends Iron Man Electronic Helmet. Genius, ingenious, cool. Those are a few of the words in his complete getup that define Tony Stark Iron Man. Now Hasbro has given us the opportunity to wear his signature armor to battle in style against nefarious enemies. Tony Stark designed the ultimate superhero mask, suitable for cosplay, ideal for fun, and now you can enjoy the flashing eyes and real sound effects. We love this gorgeously glossy headpiece of high quality, similar to Iron Man's. Number 17. Marvel Hero Captain America Blaster Reveal Shield. With superhuman strength, stamina, and an indestructible shield, Captain America is fighting for combat victory. He's the first super soldier of America, fighting on the side of justice fearlessly. With this blaster reveal shield, which includes 2 launch projectiles, kids can imagine what it's like to fight like Captain America. To see the shield open, just press down the star button, exposing a secret blaster intended to take down enemies. The shield can also be used as protection by heroes in training, and they will have the greatest weapon when they reveal the blaster. Number 16. Marvel Cinematic Universe Box Set. If you are looking for the best set of Marvel DVDs, this is it. Iron Man 3, Thor, The Dark Planet, Captain America, The Winter Soldier, Guardians of the Galaxy, Avengers, The Age of Ultron, and Ant-Man are the movies included in this second edition. Number 15. Lego Marvel Superheroes Avengers. The quality is out of this world, as is the case for all other Lego items. Also, the pieces are larger than we planned, which was a welcome surprise. In this package, with all the specifics you might like, including 2x stud shooters, you get to build the Guardian ship. You get 4x Infinity War figures, Iron Man, Star-Lord, Gamora, and Thanos with Infinity Gauntlet. On top, there are the Stones of Infinity and a shield. Number 14. Hulkbuster Lego Set. The Hulkbuster is a fan-favorite version of the Iron Man armor of Tony Stark. And now you can make your own Hulkbuster using this incredible 1,363-piece Lego set, thanks to an official LEGO Marvel partnership. The final design is 9 inches high and 8 inches wide. Number 13. Captain America's Shield. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, Captain America's shield is one of the most popular arms, tools, or whatever you want to call it. Get this 2 feet wide replica of Cap's shield if you want your own. It's just not recommended we chuck it around. It's tall, it's strong, and it's most likely going to break something. Number 12. Marvel's Spider-Man. Insomniac Games' Spider-Man is one of the best superhero game adaptations ever. A superb romp that involves a bunch of villains, a fun battle, and a sweet, well-told tale. Most importantly, however, with freedom of movement that never gets old, it nails the feeling of web slinging around a huge city. Number 11. Avengers Pop Sockets Pop Grip. A selection of Avengers-themed device grips, are now available at pop sockets. They go on the back of your phone or phone case to help you securely hold it. There's plenty to pick from Marvel. Number 10. Iron Man MK50 Robot, read by UB Tech. You are granted power over your very own Iron Man, droided by the Iron Man MK50 robot from UB Tech. Via your phone, you can monitor its motions and even build special voice controls. You can also complete virtual reality missions that will unlock new weapons for the MK50. Number 9. Thor Tool Set. This collection of tools is shaped like Thor's Mjolnir hammer. It is an awesome-looking way of transporting regular tools when closed. It folds out to reveal a selection of 44 resources, like measurement tape, a level, and of course, a hammer. When you're finally ready to get to work and do DIY, you can use this box as a tactical toolbox. However, you'll just have to wait to see if it's going to fly to your hand at will. Number 8. Interactive Gladiator Hulk. Imagine Hulk getting smashed into war. Exciting phrases and action sound effects are included in the 13-inch Interactive Gladiator Hulk figure, as well as a Hulk fist smashing feature, so children can imagine their favorite Gamma Green hero crashing and smashing into action. A Thor-inspired figure, Ragnarok, with 5 points of articulation. Number 7. Spider-Man Drone. In Spider-Man, everybody's favorite web-slinger is back, Homecoming, wearing a new high-tech gadget, Spider Drone, a practical replica of Spidey's 8-legged surveillance drone, owns the official movie edition. The Spidey suit-inspired ergonomic flight controller provides voice feedback with sentences straight from the blockbuster film. By downloading the free Spider Drone app, which hosts a flight manual, a checklist of flight accomplishments, and other changes, complete the experience. For any wall crawler series, this Spider Drone is a must. Number 6. Marvel Thanos Infinity Gauntlet Mug. After our first cup of morning coffee, Amrite is the closest most of us ever get to feeling like we have some power over the universe. This will make the feeling last a few seconds longer in the Infinity Gauntlet-styled mug. Number 5. Thor's Hammer. Yeah, his evil sister, Hela, smashed Thor's hammer, but that doesn't make Mjolnir any less cool. The strong Thunder Hammer's 1:1 replica features a realistic pommel and has LED lights that capture the eyes of all. Number 4. Marvel MVA 278 Captain America Waffle Maker. Start with Captain America in the morning. Have fun and enjoy the gold-brown waffle kitchen gadget that is shaped like the shield of Captain America. Number 3. MUC Phase 1 to 3 Complete Collection Blu-ray. Let's be honest, even the most committed of fans could be struggling to collect every movie in the cinematic universe of Marvel at the pace they put out. You can gift them all in one swoop with this series of box sets, but it won't come cheap as you'd imagine. Number 2. Thor Stormbreaker Electronic Axe with sound effects. Mighty Thor, son of Odin, uses his superpowers to protect both planet Earth and his homeworld of Asgard. Thor really has an axe to grind after his evil sister destroys his hammer Mjolnir. Fans and collectors can imagine powering up for action alongside their favorites Iron Man, Captain America, Spider-Man, Black Widow, Hulk, Black Panther, and more of the Avengers figures and roleplay gear. Additional products, each sold separately, subject to availability. Imagine defeating Thanos with this Thor electronic roleplay axe. Activate exciting thunder sound effects with the push of a button. With the Marvel Avengers Endgame Stormbreaker Electronic Axe, fans and collectors can imagine joining the battle to save the universe. Gear up like Thor. When fans and collectors wield Marvel's Stormbreaker Electronic Axe, they can imagine the adventures of the Asgardian Thor, son of Odin. Electronic battle axe with sound effects. Fans and collectors alike can imagine charging into battle with the power of thunder rumbling in the palms of their hands with the Stormbreaker axe with sound effects. Inspired by Avengers Endgame, Stormbreaker was forged to help the Avengers defeat the Mad Titan Thanos, and fans and collectors can create exciting moments with this electronic roleplay gear inspired by the Avengers Endgame movie. Imagine the Avengers' adventures. The Marvel Universe of comics, movies, cartoons, and television shows is full of heroes like Thor, and now fans can imagine joining the action. Number 1. Avengers Hero Inventor Kit. Little Bits Avengers Hero Kit lets children create a gauntlet that resembles the Iron Man armor of Tony Stark. If the assembly is completed, users can program the arm to make various Avengers noises, or they can record their own noises. With that, we end today's video. Don't forget to join in a next time for more of such interesting content.